Hello my dear viewers, hello my dear subscribers. If you're for the first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to click the like button and put on the notifications because I post trading sessions on a regular basis and I always share the most useful techniques, the coolest strategies ever possible on the trading market. So without further ado, let's just get started and actually trade. So guys, let's get started. The mood for today is kind of, I want to open according to the trend, and we're going to be using the following indicators. Of course, going to be alligator, and for more comfort, let's choose fractal. This combination of indicators proved to be really great during the tradings, even during the flood situations, but it's better not to trade if you're a beginner. It's better not to risk. In fact, all the currency pairs have already been picked. The deals will be opened for the maximum sum of the deposit. And without further ado, let's just get started. Let's choose the currency pair. So let's get to our analysis as always. So we're looking for the trends. Right now we see some swings happening. I think that here we should open to purchase. We're opening after pullback. Does it happen right now? We're taking into account this from this particular zone. The trend gained its upward character, and relying on that, we're waiting for a pullback, and we're opening according to the trend. All of the sliding lines of the indicator are facing up. That's why the deal was opened to purchase. Until the end, we have approximately 20 seconds. Let's just sit, observe. And the first deal is closed profitably, guys. At the last second, the candle went upwards and it brought us a positive result. Nothing to worry about. The breakdown happened anyway, and the deal was closed absolutely correctly. Opened, absolutely correctly. Great timing. Using the strategy, it's better to open the deal on a minute time frame. Let's continue our trading. Pick the next currency pair as always. Okay, here I see a good opening, a good entry point. Probably we should sell here. A downward trend, 3 resistance zone that can be highlighted right away. We have had the breakthrough of the first one, the second one, the third one, and right now we have a little pullback, after which I think that the breakthrough should happen and the deal should be profitable. The movement should go down. We have a very strong, good, dynamic pullback, and either way, I think that right now the movement is supposed to go down. Generally, the sliding lines of the indicator are also facing down. The jaw of the alligator is open wide, and basically, let's observe the movement. One more positively closed deal, guys. On the account, we have $170. Continue our trading, changing the currency pair for the most profitable entry point. Let's add a few more currency pairs with a good percentage. Have the percentage finished. Let's get rid of this currency pair. Let's leave this quantity and continue our analysis. Let's look what we have here. Here we're going to be opening to sell according to the trend again. All the sliding lines are moving down. We can highlight the zone of accumulation. The price has reached the resistance zone, and from here it has gone down. Generally, the sliding lines are also facing down. I think that after this accumulation, a pullback should follow and the movement should go down according to the trend. That's why we opened the deal to sell. Until the end, we have 25 seconds. The movement is quite good right now. It's even though it's close to the level of the opening, I think that everything will be just fine. Another positively closed deal, guys. Let's not stop here. Let's keep going. Change the currency pair. Generally continue our session. So here we have an overlap. Probably we will open to purchase, and I'm explaining you why. There was an overlap of the sliding lines. We observe a potential reverse up. Basically, the first support zone has worked and rebound happened and the movement went upwards. And then once again, basically the third level has also worked, the movement went upwards. I think that after this pullback, the movement is supposed to go up. Until the end, we have about 20 seconds. Right now, I'm totally okay with the movement. Actually, we see the touch of the resistance zone. And then we're going to see whether there will be a breakthrough or not. But anyway, the level of opening is great. And another profitable deal, guys. On the account, we have $600, $603. Really good behavior of the market today. Let's continue our trading, continue our analytics. Here we see a very strong upward dynamic, also opening according to the trend. Not a very good opening, to be honest. It would have been better if we opened on this level, but either way, I think that the deal was opened correctly. Let's highlight the resistance zone, which the price is trying to reach it. All of the sliding lines of the indicator have completely reversed up from this level. A great rebound happened, and after this pullback with a big shadow candle, I think the trend is more of an upward one. That's why the deal was opened to purchase, guys. And let's see the emergence of the new candle. Up at the end, there should be a breakdown, and I think that it should close positively. As I said, guys, we closed positively. Let's put the maximum sum of the deposit, changing the currency pair, picking the best percentage. Here we will open to purchase. According to the trend, everything is super simple. The local minimum has updated and the movement is going up. The last local maximum point was pretty long ago. That's why it probably should update. All of the sliding lines have reversed and gone up very drastically, and not only on this currency pair, so it might be some kind of news of the market. The price is going up. I think that up to this level it will go, and then up to this level, and the price is going to go down, up in the future. We have approximately 20 seconds, and let's just observe. Again, guys, super successfully $2,000 on the account. Continuing from here, picking the next currency pair. Right away, from here, we're going to be opening the deals to sell. A very good entry into the deal. We should immediately open. Let's highlight the resistance zone right away, from which the price wants to rebound. The movement is going to go down. The zone had a very nice pullback, quite a long one, very characteristic for this type of movement, after which the further movement is supposed to go down. That's why we opened to sell. You see that the candle has already reached this level. A very high volatility dominating. Until the end, we have 15 seconds. At the end, we should see a breakdown and our deal should close profitably. And yes, another profitable deal, guys, as was to be shown, actually. Let's keep going. Pick the next currency pair. We're not done yet. Here we had a breakthrough, and we're going to open 3 deals to purchase according to the trend, highlighting the working zone. We had the breakthrough of this particular area. The price went out, and this is telling us that probably it's going to grow. We're expecting a little, there was a little pullback in this area, and this increases our signals to purchase. All of the sliding lines of the indicator are facing upwards. We have a very strong upward trend in the zone, and we're opening according to the trend. Generally nothing complex. We are just observing the movement right now, about 15 seconds till the end. Again, we're very lucky, guys. It was really easy. You can see with your own eyes. Let's consolidate the results as always. Open the last deals for the sum of $6,000. Let's change the currency pair. Let's get to it. I think that here we're going to open the deals to purchase. We have quite a downward dynamic. The update of the local minimum points have quite a good dynamic. A passive upward dynamic, a good pullback, telling us that in theory the movement is supposed to go up. Really simple, even though we don't have a strong type of movement as we had there, but the trend is more of an upward one. That's why we opened the to purchase, and we already have the strongest breakdown, and until the end we have 20 seconds. All of the deals are closed, guys, with a profit. That's trading for today. I hope you like it. I recommend to use this strategy. Super comfortable if you're a beginner, if you're not a beginner. Guys, thank you for watching this trading session. I will remind you that if you have any questions at all, any hesitation, don't be afraid to write it in the comments, because I'm always waiting for your comments, always waiting for your kind of feelings about how your strategy, how your sessions are going, how are you working with my strategies, are you successful, are you not? And I'm always sharing the best information, especially for beginners. So please leave a comment down below if anything to share, and I'm going to be waiting for you in my future videos. Bye, guys.